So this is the first left hand that I learned, and the first one I show my students. It's a basic blues shuffle. You got your pinky on the root, second finger on the fifth, thumb is going to cover the sixth. So I'm in the key of C here. And you just bounce back and forth 2 times on the root and the fifth, and 2 times with the root and the sixth. If you go to F, it'll be the same shape, root and fifth, root and sixth. G is going to be the same thing, root, fifth, root, sixth. If you want to play it in other keys like E, the sixth is C sharp, so it's going to feel a little different. That's the same shape for A. And B is going to be slightly different because the fifth and the sixth are both black notes. For keys where the root is a black note, I usually use the same fingers like E flat. But for B flat, I tend to use my third finger on the root, and the thumb will cover both the fifth and the sixth. Of course, you can do it with the same shape as the other keys. So, I mean, same